friends, in this video we learned that how can we change the text color. So there are some classes which you have to note in your diary or you have to note in your mind. So that classes are, there are 11 classes for changing text color, and that are text muted, text primary, text success, text info, text warning, text danger, text secondary, text dark, text body, text light, text white. And after these classes there are the output, means that like here's text muted, so the output will be like this. If I type in h1 tag, I give the class text muted, and the text which I type in h1 tag will become like this. Means if we give text muted class, then the color of text will be gray. If we give text primary, then the class then the text color will be blue. If we give text success, then the color will be green. If we give text info, then there will be sky blue. For text warning, there will be yellow. For text danger, there will be red. For text secondary, there will be something like gray, and for text dark there will be black. For text body there will be black, and in text light the color will be light, means like white, and in text white there will be the same as the previous one, means white. So let's jump into our coding. Here, so you can see that I have typed main text of HTML, data, HTML tag, head tag, and title tag, link tag. In link tag I have linked my Bootstrap file. You can get this file from www.getbootstrap.com. there will be download button, you have to click on it, then it will take you to another web page, then you have to click on download button one more time, then it will start it downloading. Now here is div tag in body tag, and the class of div tag I have given this container. And so now let's start changing the color of the text by using Bootstrap. So type here class, then text, then dash muted. So friends, we already see that how will be the output, so let's copy and paste it so that it will be very fast. Just note the things which won't. So friends, if you are using Visual Studio Code, then if you press Ctrl B, then it will be like this, means the lesson's name will be gone. And if you press one more time Ctrl B, then it will come. So now let's change all these classes. First class is text muted, then there is text primary, then there is success, then there is info, then there is warning. If you type like this, then we can see the output very quickly. That's why I am typing like this. And if you want to note all these text classes, then you can pause my video when I am telling you all classes name and how will be the output. That time you can pause the video and you can note that all classes in your notebook or in your diary. So I have already typed all the classes name. Now let's see output. See how it is. So I typed here 2 times text muted, that's why it is. Now see, this text color is gray, and here I type text muted, here I type text primary, here I type text success, here I type text info, and here I type text warning. Let me we go. So see, here I type text muted, here I type text primary, and here I type text success, and here I type text success, here I type text info, here I type text warning, here I type text danger, here I type text secondary, here I type text dark, here I type text body, and here I type text light. That's why we can't see it. See, and there one more that is text white, and here is one more text see hello. The color of this text is white, that's why we can't see it, and this text color is light. So